Hey foodies, this is Ritika and I am back with yet another delicious and tasty recipe of Lahori green chicken. So let's get started and check out the recipe. As you can understand by the name, it's Lahori green chicken. We need loads of green to put into this recipe. You need 1 cup coriander leaves, 1 cup pudina or mint leaves, and 3 green chilies. Next up, in a separate bowl, take half cup spinach leaves. Pour in hot boiling water, enough to soak the leaves. Dip it properly with a spoon. And cover it for 15 minutes. In the grinder goes the mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chilies, the soaked spinach leaves, 1 cup yogurt, (1/4 cup water. Grind it to a fine paste and set aside. In a pan, heat 5 tablespoons oil, 1/4 cup ghee or clarified butter, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute the paste for about a minute or until the raw smell goes away. Add the chicken. This is about 800 grams. Saute for about 5 to 6 minutes. Turn the chicken pieces occasionally. Goes into it 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Mix well and saute it for 4 to 5 minutes. Next up goes in 3 green chilies cut into halves. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the grounded paste. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Cover it for 5 minutes and cook the chicken in low flame. Give it a stir. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, ½ teaspoon garam masala powder, ½ teaspoon pepper powder, salt to taste. Mix well. Keep the flame on medium and cook for 2 minutes. Add 150 gram fresh cream. Saute for 5 to 6 minutes. The curry has thickened. Cook for another 7 to 8 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. Saute for about 8 to 10 minutes on low flame to get the perfect consistency. Wait until the gravy thickens and oil separates from the sides of the curry. So the Lahori green chicken is ready now. You can serve it with paratha, roti or naan. So enjoy the recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.